Welcome everyone to a very important video on JEE Mains. JEE Mains 2024 రాస్తున్న వాళ్ళందరికీ this is very important. So in this video we are going to see marks versus rank which you can expect in JEE Mains 2024. JEE Mains 2024 exam రాస్తున్న వాళ్ళందరికీ marks versus rank ఈ వీడియోలో చూద్దాం. So first is qualifying mark. So to qualify you should get at least 90, be around that 90 to 95 mark. కొన్ని papers లో 85 is also enough, but 90 to 95 will be a safe score to qualify out of 360. And now to get a top college, minimum మీకు 99 percentile అనేది రావాలి. So if you want to get 99 percentile, you have to be around 200 to 220 range. 220 for a difficult paper and 220 for an easy paper. So 200 to 220 the first target undali for 99 percentile. Again, if you want to be in that 95 to 98 percentile range, 150 plus is the bare minimum which is required. But 99 percentile irrespective of the reservation category is a must if you want to score. So these three important things మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. Also ఈ three important things లో మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాల్సింది ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే this also depends on the difficulty level of the paper. Normalization, many factors are there. This is just a ballpark number. అంటే ఇది జస్ట్ అన్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ అంతే. ఇది బేర్ మినిమం. ఇది మీకు 190 కూడా అవ్వచ్చు, 230 కూడా అవ్వచ్చు, ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 10 వేసుకోవాలి మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా. సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్స్ అన్ ఈజీ పేపర్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ ది కట్ ఆఫ్ విల్ బి హైయర్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్స్ ఎ డిఫికల్ట్ పేపర్ ది కట్ ఆఫ్ విల్ బి లోవర్. అందుకే మీరు నార్మలైజేషన్లో మార్క్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ ఆర్ డిక్రీజ్ అనేది చూస్తారు. సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు గెట్ దిస్ you should follow a simple plan of you just have around September, October, November, December and probably Jan, because the latest update emantarante JEE Mains 2024 1 will be conducted in February lo exam avachchu. So manaki proper 5 months time we have to prepare. So in this 5 months the focus should be on previous year questions, all previous year models starting from 2012 to JEE Mains 2023. All PYQs you have to solve. You need to target higher weighted chapters. We made a video, you can see, the link is given in the description. All higher weighted chapters, chapter wise weightage also we made. So our video chudandi. And then you need to write tests, lot of grand tests and chapter wise tests you need to write periodically. For your benefit, we have made a free resource video for all of you, for a free resource sheet for all the JEE Mains students. So you just have to type tinyurl.com/Spark Academy free. So you will get all the free content of Spark Academy here. You'll be able to see all the maths videos, biology, physics, chemistry, every video you will be able to see. And in that you can also see the playlists as well. You can get the handwritten notes. So if you want to know the tricks, any important tricks, you can see this. Ensure you share this with all your friends. This is free. If you want additional coaching, if you want hands-on preparation, దాని కోసం మీరు 8977525461 కి కాల్ చేయొచ్చు. మీకు అడ్మిషన్స్ అనేవి ఓపెన్ ఉన్నాయి. So you can see here these are the admissions which are open. So 8977525461, you can call these numbers. Presently we are taking admissions for batch 2. Batch 1 admissions full, repeaters batch ki batch 2 admissions తీసుకుంటాం. And for 12th students we have a special batch from 6 to 8. Those who are studying in 12th or any other institute, you can avail the coaching from 6 to 8. We have online coaching available as well, complete live classes or complete self-study course. Self-study course has all recorded videos, all chapter wise. YouTube lo only meeku pipeline untai videos which is just important basics and few important this methods. In the recorded sessions in our self-study course, you have detailed videos, so you can go through the same. So this is about the Spark Academy's preparation plan for JEE 2024. We hope you liked the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel, share this video with all your friends. Under TS AP students who are writing JEE, వాళ్ళందరూ share చేయండి. And if you have any queries, you can drop comments below. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.